We are covering the official seal requirements for the Arizona Notary Public exam, a topic governed by Arizona revised statutes, specifically Section 41-313. For your exam, you must know that the official seal must be a rubber stamp. While an embosser can be used for decoration, it cannot replace the required ink stamp because it isn't photographically reproducible. The exam will test your knowledge on the required ink color. Arizona law mandates the use of dark ink, such as black, dark blue, or dark purple. Red ink is explicitly forbidden. A common trick question will present a scenario where a notary uses an embosser alone or a non-compliant ink color. Both are incorrect and would invalidate the notarization. The shape of the seal can be either rectangular or round. If it's rectangular, it cannot exceed 1.5 inches high by 2.5 inches wide. If it's a circular stamp, its diameter cannot be larger than 1.5 inches. The content of the seal is critical. According to statute, it must contain 5 key pieces of information: the words Notary Public, the notary's name exactly as it appears on their commission, the county of commission, the commission's expiration date, and the Great Seal of the state of Arizona. Some sources also mention including the commission number. A likely exam question will show you several seal examples, and you'll have to identify the one that is legally compliant. Pay close attention to the expiration date and the exact wording. Another critical area tested is the security of the seal. Arizona law is clear that the notary must keep their seal under their exclusive control at all times. You may see a question about an employer demanding to keep the notary seal they paid for. This is illegal, as the seal belongs to the commissioned notary, not the employer. Arizona law also limits a notary to possessing only one official seal at a time. If your seal is lost or stolen, you must notify the Secretary of State within 10 days. A great mental shortcut to remember the core seal requirements is the phrase, "Keep it dark, clear, and yours." Dark reminds you of the required dark ink. Clear stands for photographically reproducible, meaning an ink stamp is mandatory. And yours emphasizes that the seal must be under your exclusive control and no one else's. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.